up guys, so we have a package here from the brand of this product is from Yidoblo company. I'll just put it here, and this is such a heavy carry. This ring light comes with a carry bag, so this is kind of professional type of LED ring light. So without further ado, let's open this beautiful item that we got today. This comes with a booklet, a manual booklet, guys, instructional booklet, I believe. Yeah, here it comes with a digital battery. So this is how it looks like. So it comes with a charger, also charger port. And it's a digital video battery for camera. Yeah. So they provide two digital video battery and another digital battery charger. So all of this, guys, is for digital camera recorder. So let's proceed to the ring light. So it was wrapped with bubble wrap, guys. So this is how big it is. It's in color white. And it's a touch screen, and it also comes with a remote control where it's also LED series, and you could control or customize the lighting, the intensity, and the power of the brightness of your ring light. And here, AC/DC adapter, and cord. This is for adjusting the angle of your camera or your phone. And this also comes with a mirror that produces our effect on your eyes. Yeah, the two circle shape in your eyes. Yeah, very nice quality as well, guys, this mirror. A tripod. It's also very nice quality. And so this is how it looks, guys. The tripod is adjustable, and this is the camera holder. And we can put the mirror on the top, and I'll show you it later. And this is where you put the the power, and then this is the power button here. This, as you can see, this is an LED screen, and there's a power control temperature here, guys. This button. And so this is the mirror, guys, that's included in the package on the top of this ring light. So this is the remote controller, guys, for this ring light. And as you can see, this is the brightness of my living room. And once we turn this on, we can see how bright it could be. So it's like having an additional lamp. So this is how it became bright here, guys. It's way brighter than compared to a while ago. So I'm gonna turn off it again. This is how dark right now, and then I turn it on. Yeah, much difference. So I'll show you how to use this controller, how to customize here. Night light, how this effects. So yeah, you could control it through your remote control, guys, or manually. You could just dim the light like this, or turn the lights like this up to 100%, like that. And you could also control it here if you don't want to use your remote control. Yeah, up to 99%. That's how bright it is. So this is my broken one, guys, the small one, the simple one, and this is the giant ring light that I have right now from Yidoblo. That's how tall it is. So it's perfect for you when you're making a selfie, guys, because the mirror, I'll show you on this side of the screen of this video, it really makes a different effect, a kind of amazing effect on your eyes, the circle thing on your eye, and that's fabulous. So overall, guys, this is very highly recommended product, a must-buy product, because it's very useful, that you could customize your lighting. It's perfect for your home studio, photo studio, and yeah, I love it. So you can purchase this from Amazon, guys. The brand name is Yidoblo. So I'll just put it here, the brand name. Yeah, it's so big, it's so tall, and this is a very magnificent kind of product to have. It's so wonderful. Plus you have a mirror here that gives beautiful effects on your eyes when you're taking selfies, pictures of your loved ones and family. So grab yours now.